Hey beauties. Hey, today I want to talk about what to do with makeup brushes. The Golden Goals makeup collection has 14 brushes. Now, truth be told, I doubt very seriously if you use all 14 at one time, but just know that each brush is interchangeable and people can use them for various reasons. So I'm going to show you how I use my brushes. First, I have, this is called the flat foundation brush. So if you're using a liquid makeup, you can use this to apply your primer, if you like. Um, you could also use it to use your liquid makeup. Okay, so that's what this flat foundation brush is for. Then sometimes people want to use a flat top foundation brush. This is also known as a stippler brush. So this can be used with liquid as well as powders. And what you do is you dab like that until it just blends all in. And so that's what the stippler makeup brush is for. Okay, and that's the one with the flat top. Then we have a nice, this is a powder brush. You know, everybody sees these, when people are doing a makeup challenge. That's what this is. This is what you see in that. So this kind of like, you can use this to brush and blend if you like. Get it all in there. If you like loose powder, it's good for your loose powder. So this is the, that's the, kind of thick brush. This is the one that's very, very dense that I was talking about. See, look here, it's just very, very dense. Lots and lots of bristles. Very thick, very, very thick. But it's a very good brush. Okay. Now, this is a blusher. Well, you can use, this is a nice, thick, dense, here we go. This is your blusher. You can use that for your blush. And then, I know you all have seen this. This is your, look at this, this is your fan brush. So you can use this for your highlighters. So you dip stuff in there, and you can use actually for powders or highlighters, and you do it from the side, and sometimes you do it down your nose. I am by no means a makeup artist. I'm just letting you know the most common uses for these brushes. Then you have what's known as the contour brush. This is a wide contour brush, so you can use it up here to put your concealer on, and you can use it underneath for your concealer. Then you have your shadow brush. Now, we all know what we use shadow for, right? But just in case, we use it for our eyeshadow. Goes up like that. Then we have our, this is actually a eyeliner brush. So if you use, I guess you could use either liquid or, powder, or sometimes people use even black, shadow, and you can, put your stuff up under there, put all of your eyeliner up under there, and then you have your lip liner. So instead of instead of you using your lipstick tube, if you want to, you can always put this into a tube and do your lips. Then check this out. Here is your. This is called a spoolie. Can you see that? So what you do with the spoolie, you use that to, get those eyebrows together. shape them up a little bit. Or you can use this. This is a comb and brush where you can do pretty much the same thing. But you can brush up and then use the other side to comb just to kind of lay it down like that. That's what that's for. And I have, a couple of more. This is for, for shadows. And then this is another flat top that you can use. But like I said, the Golden Goals collection comes with, look at this, 14 beautiful, beautiful Golden Goals brushes. See there? It says it on there. Can you read that? It says Golden Goals. You probably can't read it because of the reflection. But anyway, these are the Golden Goals brushes. And I hope that you've enjoyed this little presentation. Hopefully it gives you a little bit of clarity on how to use these brushes. And I would love for you to go to the website and get your brushes. Okay? All right, so that's truegoldengoals.com. Get your brushes, ladies. All right, take care.